morning, everyone. It is, I don't even know what day it is. I think it's the 14th or the 13th. I don't remember. Also, ignore my chin. Super stressed. Took the beating for it. Sorry I have not posted in a long time. And that is because 2 days ago, I was not feeling great, at all not great. So I went to urgent care. They tested me for strep and they said I didn't have it, but they gave me antibiotics for it. And actually this morning they called me and said I have strep. So I've been sick for the past 2 days, and I went and took my finals yesterday, even though I was really out of it. So that's why also I have not been posting. So to make up for it, I posted a vlog and a Q&A and dynamic duo tag. I don't know if I put them in the same thing. I haven't edited them yet. We'll figure that out later. Right now I am working on packing all of my stuff to go home. It is a mess, just really badly. So we're gonna get a time lapse of me packing up all my stuff. I'm also watching Margot Lee. I'm watching YouTube videos to get through the time. So yeah. So this is the room now. It's quite empty. Except for that part, I'm not taking any of that stuff, but last trip down. Goodbye room for a home up. Will not be missed. These last 3 days have been not great because sickness is not fun. Alright. Peace out. Everyone, I'm about to head on the road again. I just saw a Snapchat from a year ago, and I was going home today a year ago, and the sun is literally horrible right now. I'm gonna go grab some gas and a water bottle from Casey's, and then I'm gonna go home. I'm very excited to go home and just sleep for a while, just to sleep everything off and just to forget about how bad of a semester it's been. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Update time. It is now a lot later. It is currently 5:26 and I am chilling in bed. I got home around 3 and I've just been chilling. I unpacked my car. I'm tired. I tried to take a nap earlier and it just did not work. I need to unpack my stuff. As y'all can see, that's a mess. I'm trying to get my Vlogmas up. Trying to get back on track, trying to figure out how I want to get back on track. I knew that I wasn't gonna film one of the days, so I think I'm gonna make one of the vlogs a Q&A vlog, officially do that, and we'll see how the rest of this day goes, because everything is just going downhill. Oh boy. Okay, let's get to editing. Oh my gosh. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 11:28 a.m. I just woke up and I look like an absolute mess right now. I am determined to edit my Vlogmas. I am determined to get back on track, and I tried last night and my program just would not let me. I have no clue why, but I was able to drag one clip onto the sequence, and then when I tried to drag any other clip onto the sequence, it would only drag the audio and not the visual. So I got really frustrated, and then my computer glitched and decided to shut down. So I'm hoping that after a night's sleep it's okay and I'm gonna get back on track and hopefully edit Vlogmas. Otherwise I'm gonna be very sad if it's not gonna work and I look like absolute trash right now. I'm also still a little sick, still getting over it. Hopefully I will get over soon. And yeah, this is what morning Catherine looks like. My love. My computer is turning on right now, and let's pray for the best.
this was my hand, and this is what was cut. How will she know that? I could start cooking again.
Yeah.
Want the blankie. See if you warm your feet up.
Thanks.
Oh, I can cook you, didn't I?
Oh. Guys, I know what you're thinking. Catherine, this is the most entertaining vlog I've ever seen. And you're right. Yeah, guys, I am so sorry. This is like, the first few days of being home is always boring, is me just like literally taking a huge sigh for the first few days of being home, just sitting back and like not letting anything like go like really bad on me. I mean, except for my laptop. My laptop's being dumb and my program is glitching and I'm just thriving. Yay! So yeah, I've had a rough couple of past days, and it didn't help that I got sick and everything, and wow, my hair's really long. We love that. So I'm just relaxing, kind of just taking a big deep breath because I need it. I feel like things have been stacking up and I just need it to lay off. So I'm hungry and I didn't want to eat too bad of junk food, so I made myself a peanut butter sandwich. And then I grabbed myself some Nestle Splash water that's wild berry flavored. We're very excited for it. Tomorrow's Sunday, and Sunday is gonna be the day it's gonna start a new week, and we're gonna clean the room, we're gonna clean my vanity, we're gonna clean my tub, we're just gonna clean, we're gonna get things ready for Christmas because we're going to St. Louis for Christmas, which is super exciting. This will be my first time not being, well, my first time that I can remember not being home for Christmas. And oh yeah, I'm wearing my St. Louis Cardinals hat too. How ironic. Because we've been not home for Christmas, but that was when I was a baby. And fun fact, when that happened, I don't know if there were other times, but that I don't remember, but from what I remember, we haven't. Literally the first time we were not home for Christmas was that when I was in the family, was when I was born, and it was my first Christmas, and we were driving to my aunt and uncle's house, and we ran into a deer, and I was in the front seat of the car. Maybe that's why I am who I am today. Don't know. I am just rambling because I'm trying to make this vlog entertaining, even though I know it isn't. Jacob, yes, you've told me my vlogs aren't entertaining. I'm sorry. You're not here to make them entertaining. I apologize. But they will become, let's say, very entertaining when we go down to St. Louis. Because, you know, more people, there will be dogs, and we're in St. Louis, so that will be a bit more exciting, I guess. Finger gunning out. Yeah.